From the side. From the side. Wait, let me see how many participants are there. इसका भी चालू है, ठीक है?
Okay, Shifa, if you have any doubt, you can unmute yourself or raise your hand, but please don't unmute until it's required.
Yes. I cannot see you.
Yes, okay. So Abdul, Jaideep, Manzar, Arman, Arham, Shifa, Vivek. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so shall we start the lecture now?
Yes, Miss, I cannot
Okay.
see you.
I'm not going to on my camera. I'll just share my screen and start the lecture, okay?
Okay.
So I'll quickly give an introduction, just a minute. Okay, so is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay, so today's topic is Vedic maths. So as you all know, yes, how many of you know what do you mean by Vedic maths? Yes, anyone? Is anyone aware about the concept Vedic maths?
No. No.
Okay, no. Okay, so have you heard the word tricks, tips and tricks?
Yes.
So what do you mean by tricks or tips? Yes, students? Let me know what you think about tricks, tips in mathematics, okay? Yes.
This tips and tricks is basically you giving us like different, like you can give us different words, and then like board mass, it's like brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. It's like that. That's also a trick.
No,
Like,
board
no,
mass
It's
it is not a trick.
different. Miss,
Okay.
Shortcut.
Shortcut. Okay, very nice answer. So first of all, board mass is not a trick. It is a rule which is used in maths to solve various type of simplification sums. Now, what are tips and tricks? So for example, you are giving an exam and it involves a lot of calculation, complication, etc. So you cannot sit and solve each and every sum with number of steps. So you can say shortcut. So how to solve a sum with minimum number of steps to reduce the time required to solve that sum. Okay, so tips and tricks are how to solve a sum in less amount of time. So you can say tips and trick are the technique which can speed up your mathematics, then due to which you can save your time. Like there are many mathematical games, mathematical tricks due to which you can improve your mathematical calculation. Okay, so Vedic math is a concept which uses lots of tricks, lots of shortcut so that you can multiply 4-digit number, 3-digit number within 10 seconds, within 5 seconds, okay, to save your time. And that is the, you can say, best thing about mathematics, that there is no need of write each and every step. Okay, so today's lecture is all about how to solve the difficult sums in very less amount of time. Is it clear what we are going to learn today?
Yes.
Okay. So I am going to teach you a number of tricks, okay, which will help you to solve sums. But today I am going to start with very basic level. So after starting from a basic level, you will be clear how to solve simple sums, so which are 2-digit, 3-digit or 4-digit in less amount of time. Then only we'll go to next level. So you can say today's lecture is all about level 1. of solving mathematics, sums of mathematics. Okay. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Let me see. Okay, so introduction is clear to everyone, I guess.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. So I'll share my screen again. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen again, and now I am starting my lecture. Okay. Okay. So is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what I'll give a short introduction about Anispedia. What is Anispedia all about? It is education and learning institute which help you to upgrade your skills to solve like different difficult sums in small amount of time. Okay, so Anispedia is an extension of dreams of upgrading the quality of education globally. Okay, so this was education. This was introduction about our institute. Now, starting basically with what is Vedic maths. So there, you can say there was an Indian scientist who started a concept of solving maths mentally. Like there is no need of pen, there is no need of paper. You can solve that sum in your mind. But it will take, yes, what it will take to solve the sums in mind itself. What is required to solve difficult sums in mind without pen and paper? Yes, students, I want answer. I want this session a very answerable. Yes, introductory. Yes, student. No one knows what is required to solve the sum mentally without using pen and paper. You can give your answer whether it is right, wrong, no matter. I just want your answer. Yes, anyone? No one?
Miss, you have to learn all the formulas.
Okay.
Fingers.
Yes, next.
Formula.
Yes. Formula. Okay, formulas. Okay. So, yes, formulas are required, but the most important thing which is required to solve the sum mentally is practice. Okay, you need to practice it every day. Like, it is not enough just knowing the tricks. You have to practice that trick every day so that one day you will be expert in it. Okay, so Vedic maths is all about the ancient technique which simplifies multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, square root. This technique makes these all things very easy. Like in 5 seconds, you can find your answer in 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Fastest mental mathematical system or mathematical calculation is only possible by Vedic maths. There are different type of mathematics, Vedic maths, power maths, but Vedic maths is a concept which will make your calculation very easy. Okay, so there are 16 sutras. You can say sutras shortcuts. There are 16 shortcuts in Vedic maths. Okay, yes. So my next question is, what do you mean by math phobia? Yes, students. Have you heard about math phobia?
No.
No one?
No. Scared to do math?
Yes, complete your sentence, dear. Okay, phobia means scared of something. Like some people, some students are scared of doing mathematics. Some people are scared of jumping from a height. Some people are scared of water. So the scariness of something is called phobia. So math phobia is some students are very scared of solving maths. So Vedic maths is a concept which creates interest towards a subject, towards mathematics. So if you have to eradicate math phobia, like if you don't want math phobia in your life, you have to learn Vedic mathematics. Okay? Any question?
Class चलो online.
Please don't unmute yourself until it is required.
Stand.
There's someone whose mic is on.
स्टार्ट झाली गाडी बॅटरी संपली वाटतं काय
Please don't unmute yourself, Pratiksha, until it is required. Okay, if you have any doubt, then only unmute yourself or raise your hand. Okay, it creates disturbance. Okay, so I'll share my screen again. Okay, so we'll start now. Okay, so this was all about Vedic mathematics. I hope Vedic mathematics concept is clear to everyone. Yes, students? Is it clear? What do you mean by Vedic mathematics? Please reply.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So now, what are advantages of MVP? As I have already cleared this concept, but I will revise it again. Advantages of MVP, like what is benefits of learning MVP? Improves your calculation, improves your speed and accuracy, sharpens your concentration, improves your logical reasoning, removes fear for maths, that I have already cleared, that is maths phobia. Okay, after learning Vedic maths, you will know no more you will be having fear from mathematics. Next, enhance your confidence. Obviously, if you are able to solve difficult sum in a very less amount of time, it will build your confidence. Okay, there are some advantages. Okay, we'll go to the next slide now. Next, as I already explained, there are 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. Basically, you can say 16 shortcuts. So if you have to learn Vedic mathematics, you have to go through this 16 shortcuts. Each and every shortcut is all about how to solve a sum in less amount of time, which required practice as well. Okay?
मी काठी लिहितो.
Please don't unmute yourself. Please, it is a request. Okay, so these are 16 sutras, you can say, or 16 shortcut formulas of Vedic mathematics. I am not going to explain this today. I will explain this in the next session. Today, we are going to learn some very easy tricks so that you can at least get an idea what is Vedic maths all about. Because learning this or knowing these all shortcuts are somewhat difficult to know. Okay, so we are going to start with a very simple tricks and tips. So if anyone want, they can take screenshot of this slide so that you will be aware about what Vedic maths actually involves. Okay, so can I go to the next slide?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the very first trick I am going to teach you is aim for 10. Now there is a very simple, you can say, okay. This is very simple sum, 8 plus 5. What is the answer?
13.
13, yes, very good. 13 is the answer. But there are many students who start counting from 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is okay because this was a very small numerical sum. But aim for 10 is a trick which teaches you always go for 10. What do you mean by this? 8. How many number you have to add so that it will become 10?
2.
3.
Very good. 2, no, 2. 2 is the correct answer. If you add 2 in 8, your answer will be directly 10 because 10 is a number that you can like easily opt for. So when you add 2 to 8, it will become 10. But when you add 2 from 5, the remaining is 3 because 2 you have, yes, 2 you have already added to 8. So it became 10 and left 3 number is 10 plus 3 will be 13. So this trick is used for higher numerical problems as well. This was a simple one. This was a simple one. So maybe this trick was not so useful for this calculation, but it really helps you in higher calculation. I will explain you once again. Aim for 10 means you have to choose a closest number to 10. So closest number to 10 was 8. I borrowed 2 from 5. So the number becomes 10 and remaining number is 3. So direct calculation 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay. Is this some clear how to use aim for 10 trick?
Yes. Ma'am, we want to write this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, if you want, you can write the tricks because I have wrote the trick on screen as well. Always aim for 10. This is, you can say, the very best trick used in addition. It is helpful to solve the addition problem in less amount of time. Like instead of counting from, yes?
I have a doubt.
Yes. What's
So,
your doubt?
if you add 2, so it's like this. If you add 8 plus 2 is 10, then the remaining is 3, and then you just have to add 10 plus 3, right?
Yes. That's the correct order.
Because that's very simple. Isn't there a tough sound like?
Yes, there are like tough sum as well, but as I already mentioned, I will start from a simple level. Then only we'll go to the next level so that you can learn the tricks very easily. Okay?
Okay.
What's your name?
Said.
Okay, so as said, 8 plus, we can write this sum 8 plus 2 plus 3 because 8 plus 2 contributes for 10 and 3 contributes for 13. Okay, so this was the actual sum looks like this.
This would take more time than just adding 8 plus.
No, it will not take time. This is the first sum and this is a very easy sum. That's why you are thinking in such a way. But if I go for higher sum, aim for 10 is the trick which will simplify or which will save your time in addition. Okay.
Okay.
You'll know how this trick it's used in higher number of numericals. Okay. So can I go for the next sum now?
Yeah.
Okay. So now tell me what to do now. Aim for 10. In the similar sum, you have to apply the same trick.
Yes. Its answer is 19.
19, but you counted. Like many of the students must have counted.
So we can add 12 plus 8 and then minus 1.
Yes, that's also one of the trick. You can say 12 plus 8 aims for 20, right? As we know, if we add 8 in 12, it will be 20 and then minus 1 because here it is 7, not 8. So you'll get your answer as 19. But one more trick you can say, can I write it as 10? 12 can I write as 10?
Yeah.
And the remaining 2 plus 7 gives me 19 because 7 plus 2 is 9 and 10 plus 9 is 19. It is easy to add a number in tens. Like if you have to add a number in 10, 20, 30, 40, it makes the addition easy. So that's the main aim of adding 10, aiming for 10. Okay, so you can do in both of the way. If you have to go for 20, even that is also right. If you have to go for 10, even that is right. Okay, these are very easy trick which will help your calculation. Okay, in some or the other way, maybe in a small way as well. Is this sum clear to everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Is the trick clear to everyone? Not the sum. Trick is clear?
Yes.
Very good. So yes, so we'll go for the next sum as well. Again, aim for 10. Within 5 seconds, you have to give the answer. Ready?
19.
1,
19.
2, 3,
19.
4.
19.
Very good, 19. Even this was an easy sum. But still, again, if I remove 4 from 14, it will be again 10. And 4 plus 5 is 9. So 10 plus 9 is 19. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So let me see if I have a difficult sum, or else I will give on my own. Okay, there is a 2-digit sum now. Okay, your time starts now. 1,
26.
2,
26.
3, 4,
26.
5.
26.
Okay, 26. Okay, very good. Now, can I separate 10 from 14 and 10 from 12?
Yes.
So that 20 and then 4 plus 6,
Yes.
26.
Yes, very good. So 10 plus 10 is 20, 4 plus 2 is 6, and therefore the answer is 26. Is it clear?
Yes.
So this is the way of, like, if you practice this trick in higher number of sum as well, really you cannot believe your addition calculation will increase, will go at a certain level. Okay, so this is a trick. Always aim for 10 because 10 is a digit. You can say 10 is a number which makes addition very easy. Okay, so can I give now difficult sum?
Yeah.
Okay, so again, after giving sum, I will count till 5 and let's see who gives the answer. Okay, so go for the fifth sum.
36, the second one is 14.
Okay, let me count. Okay, what is the answer of 17 plus 19?
36.
36.
36. And what is the answer for 6 plus
14.
7?
14.
14.
14. Okay. So I want one of the student to explain this sum.
This is 13, not 14.
Okay,
7
so
plus
sorry.
7 equals 14.
Okay. So I want one of the student to explain 17 plus 19 with the help
Miss,
of
can
my
I?
trick. Yes, okay, you can.
Miss, from 17 we'll remove 7, it'll become 10, and from
Okay.
19 we'll remove 9, and it'll become 10, and then we'll add 10 plus 10, which is 20, and then
Okay.
the total number is 9 and 7. So we'll add 1 from 7 to 9, which is 10, and then we'll add 6 to 10, and it'll become 16. And
Very
then
good.
if you add those two, it'll become 36.
Okay. So this was a great explanation, but I want to give a very quick explanation for this sum, which is, can I add from 17 1 to 19? Can I?
Yeah.
So it will become 20. So now it's become easy. 20 plus 16 is 36. Your explanation was also good, like separating 10. But if it is possible, separate 20, separate 30, separate 40. It is not compulsory to separate 10. Because if I borrowed 1 from 17, this 19 number will get converted into 20. And now it is easy to add 20 plus 16, which is 36. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good. Now,
Yeah. Yes.
can I borrow 3 from 6 to convert 7 into 10?
Yeah, besides that, you just have to add 10 plus 3.
Yes,
14.
10 plus 3, again it is 13. So I hope this trick will be useful for you, and from onwards, you will use this trick in each and every additional sum. Okay?
This what I'm in 6th grade and we barely even do any addition. We do multiplication.
Yeah. No problem. After addition, after subtraction, I will go for the trick of multiplication. Don't worry. We have tricks and tips in every calculation. Okay? As I told, this is just an introductory lecture, or you can say basic lecture, so that you can get an idea what we are going to learn further. Okay? This is just a small tips. Maybe this trick is useful for 4th standard student, 2nd standard student. Okay? Okay, so this is, I think, difficult sum. So your time starts now.
This 8 is 95 and 7 is 100.
100. Okay,
I mean,
so can...
this is incorrect. That's 110. 110.
Okay, 110. Okay. So I don't want the answer. I want the explanation as well. Who is going to explain?
Can I?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am,
You are the one who explained the last sum. Yes. What is your name?
ma'am Vivek.
Okay, you explained the last sum. Or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay, continue. No problem. Okay, continue.
Ma'am,
Yes, start explaining.
ma'am, you can break 7 from 60 and 4
Okay,
60 plus 40
3 from 40.
and 7 plus 3 10 and add the 100 to the 10 110.
Very good. So, very good. So, this was very good explanation. As we separated 7 from 67, 3 from 43. So, remaining 60, 40 contributes to 100 and 7 plus 3 contributes to 10. So, 100 plus 10 is 110. So, there is no need of writing, but as I need to explain that's the reason I'm writing on the screen. Or else you can do in mind as well if I'm not writing. Okay. 60 plus 40 is 100, 7 plus 3 is 10, and 100 plus 10 is 110. So this must be a calculation within 2 seconds, within 3 seconds. You should improve your skill so much that even a 4-digit, 5-digit sum won't affect your speed. Okay. So again, this is easy. 60 plus 30 is 90 and just the remaining one is 95. Okay. Is it clear till now? 95. Yes, 95. Very good. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes, Ammar has raised his hand. Okay, do you have any problem? If you have any doubt, please raise your hand or else unmute yourself. I'll explain it. Yes, anyone have any problem till now?
No. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, is it clear till?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the Vedic maths.
Vedic maths. What's your doubt, dear?
Ma'am, I have not understood what is the Vedic maths.
Okay, so you are not present in the starting of the lecture?
No, ma'am, I have network issue.
Okay, so no problem. I'll explain it once again very quickly. What the concept of Vedic maths is, then we'll go for the tricks of multiplication. Okay,
Yes,
so as I explained, Vedic maths is a technique. Okay, Vedic maths is a technique which it is very ancient technique which is useful to simplify your sum or calculate the answer in very less amount of time. It is a time saving technique. There are many calculations, like many simplifications like multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, squaring, square root, cubing a number. So there are many sums which takes more than 2 minutes, more than 3 minutes, more than 4 minutes. Okay, so Vedic maths is all about solving a difficult sum, 4-digit sum in 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, maximum 10 seconds. So basically, Vedic maths is all about the tricks which help us to solve a difficult sum in less amount of time. So basically, time saving technique which will enhance your mathematical calculation, which will increase your confidence. Okay, is it clear now? Vivek?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I just explained a term, a concept, which is maths phobia. So phobia is scariness of something. Okay, like some people have are scared of water, so they have water phobia. So maths phobia is some students are scared of solving maths. So to erase maths phobia from your life, you have to learn mathematics, Vedic mathematics, and tricks for mathematics, so that you'll not be afraid of solving a difficult sum. So that is Vedic maths all about. Okay, Vivek?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we have completed with the tricks of addition and now we are moving to tricks of multiplication. Okay, so the very first multiplication tricks, I hope tables are known to everyone, at least 1 to 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I want this session interactive. So please give your answer, unmute yourself and give answer as much as you can. Okay, students? students. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So again, I will explain the trick as I explained addition, and then I'll give you question, and then I will count till 5 seconds, and then I want the answer within 5 seconds. Okay. The very first trick is list of important multiplication trick, and the very first trick is multiplication which involves the number multiple of 5. So it can be 5, 25, a number into 5, a number into 25, a number into 125, multiples of, you can say power of 5. 5 raised to 1 is 5, 5 raised to 2 is 25, 5 raised to 3 is 125, and so on. So if there is a sum which involves 5, 25, 125, and so on, so what is the shortest trick you can solve, you can use for this sum? Okay, now I'll read the steps basically, and then I'll explain the trick. The very first step is add as many zeros at the end of the number, at the end of the given number, as there is a power of 5. Okay. And the next step is divide the resultant number by 2, that is power of 5, to get the result. Okay, just a minute. Is this sum clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, I want your answer by proper multiplication, so that you will understand the difference between what is the use of using tricks, what amount of time gets reduced when you use the trick. Okay, so I want answer from each and every one. What is the answer for 94 into 125? If I guess the correct answer, then only I'll tell you the trick.
Ma'am, the answer is 1585.
Okay, let me write on screen. Wait a minute. 1585.
85.
Okay, this was from only one student. I want answer from each and every student. I don't know whether this answer is correct or not.
Just 1 second. Can I do the math?
Yes, you can.
Is 94 into 1. Ma'am, my answer is 11,715.
Okay, 11,715. Okay, so many different answers.
Miss,
So
Miss 11,750.
550. Okay, so sorry.
Yes, ma'am. My also that I am. My answer is 11,750.
Okay, so this was by proper multiplication, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
So sorry, there was okay. Okay, so what is your answer? 11,750, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So okay, I don't know whether this answer is correct or not. Now I am going to explain you this trick. This trick is really very, very, very useful in case of multiplication. But I will make it so clear that this trick is only applicable for the numbers of power of 5. Okay, so 125 is 5 cube. Everyone is agreeing on this? 125 is cube of 5?
Yes.
Okay, so you have to add the zeros as much as the power. So you will write 94, 94 the number itself, whatever number is given, you will write. Now, you will add 3 zeros. Why? Because 3 is the power of 5. So you will add 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Is it clear till now? This is very easy trick until you learn it. Is it clear till this step?
Yes.
Yes.
125 is
No, ma'am.
power. Okay, I'll explain it once again. 125 is power of 5, which is 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 1 is 5. 5 raised to 2 is 25. 5 raised to 3 is 125, and so on. 5 raised to 4, 5 raised to 5, etc. So 5 raised to 3 is 125. So 3 is power of 5. So add 3 zeros in front of 94. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, same power you have to give for 2. If 3 is power, you have to give 2 as power of 3. So this is 2 raised to 3 is 8. So simply divide by 8, you will get the answer as, what was the answer? 11750. This is the trick. Is this trick clear?
Yes.
Okay, okay. This is a little bit higher level trick. I will explain it again now. 125 can be written as 5 cube. You have to only concentrate on the power. Okay, we only require the power for this trick. That's it, nothing else. So 94, you have to write the number as it is and add as much as 0 written here. So the number is 3. So add 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. First step is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, give the same power for 2. You have to always use the number 2. Whatever power 5 has, give the same power to 2 as well. So 2 raised to 3 is 8, and simply divide 94,000 by 8. So 8 ones are 8, again 8 ones are 8. Okay, then 7, then 5, then 0. This is the answer.
Ma'am, ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am,
Yes.
any number have to take 2 cube?
No, you have to take 2 compulsory, but cube is because 125 is a cube of 5. Okay, I'll explain the same sum for 25. Okay,
Yes,
so this was 5 cube. Therefore, I added 3 zeros. There 3 zeros. If power
Yes.
is 3, you have to add 3 zero. And 2 cube is 8. Therefore, 94000 divided by 8. And my answer was 11750. But if my same sum was 94 by 25. Now, how can I write
We have to
25 in terms? You have to take square.
Ma'am, we have to take the 2.
Yes, yes, very good. So as 25 is square of 5, I will add only 2 zeros. Here 125 was cube of 5. That's the reason I added 3 zeros. Here my 25 is the square of 5. So this is my first step. And now you will 2 as it is. There is no change in 2, but here the power is 2. So therefore 9400 divided by 4. What is the answer? Your answer will be, yes,
2350.
very good. So instead of multiplying 94 by 25, then you will multiply 5, then you will add a 0, then you will multiply 2. So instead of doing this calculation, here also multiplying 125 by 94, instead of doing 3-digit calculation, this is the easiest trick for multiplication. But this is only applicable in power of 5. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so I will show you the same sum. Let me finish. Okay, So this is the last time I'm explaining it, but now I will explain this in 3 parts. First, 94 was divided by 125, which is, can I write 5 raised to 3, which is 94000 as the power is 3, number of 0 added as 3. 2 raised to 3 is 8. Therefore, 94000 divided by 8, our answer was 11750. Quick multiplication. Next, the same sum, but now I am multiplying 94 by 25. But now 25 is square of 5. As the power is 2, I will add only 2 zeros. Now 2 raised to 2 as the power is 2, which is 4. So 9400 divided by 4, my answer is 2350. Now 94 divided by 5. So no power, only 5 raised to 1. So add only 1 zero, which is 940. 2 raised to 1 is 2 itself. So 940 divided by 2. What will be my answer? What is 940 divided by 2?
470.
470. Very good. So this is one of the important and best, easiest trick ever, which will help you for the multiplication for higher numbers. Like for the 25 multiplication by 125. What is the answer for 5 raised to 4?
We have to take only 5 cube or 5 square.
Yes, you only can take 5 raised to 1, 5 raised to 2, 5 raised to 3, 5 raised to 4, 5 raised to 5, and so on. You can only take 5 and power of 5 for this trick. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope this trick is clear for everyone.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so if anyone wants, can take a screenshot of this slide so that I can go for the next one. Can I go? So let me see if I have, no, this is a different trick. So I want students to solve one more sum, which is 42 multiplied by 625. Your time starts now with the same trick which I have told you. Don't multiply, it will take more time. Use the trick.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Okay, no problem. I'll explain you once again. But the student who have understood, please go for the trick. In the beginning, it will take time for learning the trick or for practicing the trick. But once it is known to you, you can find the answer as possible as you can. As early as you can. Yes, students, what is the answer? No one know how to use this trick.
Ma'am, I think the answer.
Yes, anyone?
Ma'am, I think the answer is 26,250.
Okay. You're not audible, dear. Okay, very good. 26,250. You solved by actual multiplication or by trick I give? Yes, Ammar?
Actual multiplication.
Okay, but I don't use actual multiplication. It takes time. Where is Vivek? Yes, Vivek, why you didn't answer? Vivek, Abdul, Rayan, Shifa. If you have understood the trick, you must try the trick. Okay, I'll explain it once again because there are students who didn't understand. Okay, do you want to explain this sum or should I explain 94 into 125 again?
Ma'am, 42 into 625.
Okay, 42 into 625. So as 42 into 625, what will be 625 written in the terms of 5?
Ma'am, 5 power 5.
5 power?
5.
Really?
Yes.
Are you sure?
7.
Yes, ma'am.
5.
5 raised to 4 is 625, not power 5. So I think that's the reason why you have got the wrong answer. So this is not 625 is not 5 raised to 5, it is 5 raised to 4. So you just have to take the number 42 as it is 5 raised to 4, add 40. Simple. The power you have, add that much 0. So 5 raised to 4, 42, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, again the same power for 2. Yes, what is 2 raised to 4?
16.
16. Simply divided by 16, you will get as, what you will get the answer? 26250. If this division is little higher for you, you can divide it by 2. Go on, divide it by 2. It will make you easy because division by 2 is really easy. Like it is time saving rather than multiplying this whole number.
28,000.
26,000.
No, ma'am, 28,000.
No, it is 26,250. You can check your answer once again. It is 26,250. Is this sum? Okay, I will give you easy sum now. 38 by 25. Okay, I want now answer very quickly because this is an easy sum. By the same trick, don't do the actual multiplication or you will not used to this trick. You will not get used to this trick. Try solving by the trick. Yes, Vivek, Abdul, Ammar. I want answer as soon as possible. Fast.
950.
950. Okay, who gave the answer?
I.
What is the name, dear?
Muhammad Ada.
Very good. Okay, very good. Really nice. Within 5 seconds, you have given the answer. Did you solve by trick or actual multiplication?
Wild trick.
Very good. Get used to the trick. It will be really useful to you. Like actual multiplication, I'll tell you what actual multiplication looks like. This is 38.
950.
950. Very good. So what is actual multiplication? You will first multiply 5. 8 5s are 40. Then 4 carry over. Then 5 3s are 15. Then you would add 4. This will be 9. Again you will add 0. 8 2s are 16. Again 1 carry over. 3 2s are 6. Then again 7. And then after addition, this will be again 50, again 1 carry over, then you will get the answer as 950. So this is a long division, a long multiplication process. So instead of doing all this, you can directly do 38 by 25. As I said, it is 5 square. So this will be 3820 and divided by 4. Why I divided by 4? Because the same power you have to give for 2. So 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 is 4. So easily 3800 divided by 4 and your answer is ready, 950. So this is easy, or multiplying 38 by 25 by so lengthy method, it is easy. Which one is easy, trick or the actual multiplication?
Trick.
Okay, so that is the importance about trick. You can solve as much as bigger multiplication with the help of trick so easily that you will not even know that you have got your answer in very less amount of time. Okay, so shall we go for one more sum or to the next trick? I think we should take one more example. Okay, now I'll give. Yes, you're not audible clearly, dear.
Next trick.
Next trick. Okay, we'll go for the next trick now. Trick number 2 in multiplication. This was trick number 1 for multiplication, and this is trick number 2 in multiplication. Now, this is only applicable for in the multiplication of two numbers. If the sum of the whose unit digit is 10, then the remaining digit are the same in both the numbers. Okay, I will first read the steps there as it is, then I will explain the trick. Multiply the unit digit of the number. Now multiply the digit which are same, that is 2, 2. I'll explain the trick. I'm just reading the steps with its consecutive number. Finally, the result obtained in step 1 to the right of the result obtained in step 2. So before explaining the steps or before explaining this trick, I want the answer from the actual multiplication. Okay. What is the answer of 22 into 28? Yes, students?
616.
616, right? So this answer you got by actual multiplication. Okay, I want answer from all of the students. So I will wait for 1 minute, then only I'll explain the trick.
Ma'am, 616.
616. Okay.
Ma'am, 600.
616. So everyone is getting answer as 616.
Yes.
Okay, so this is really very easy trick. You don't want to you don't even have to lift your pen. This is so easy.
Ma'am, can you repeat the trick again?
I have not yet explained the trick. I was just waiting for your actual multiplication answer. Don't worry, I have not explained the trick. Okay, so the trick is only there is one condition in this trick. The addition of these two numbers should be 10. If the sum of unit digit of both the number is 10, then only you can go for this trick. Okay, so can I say 8 plus 2 is 10? Is 8 plus 2 10?
No. Yes, miss.
Oh, okay, so if 8 plus 2 is 10, then only I can go for this trick. So very easy trick. Just multiply the consecutive number, unit place number. What is 8 into 2?
16.
Yes. So the very first step is multiply the unit digit of the number. So unit digit of 22 is 2. Unit digit of 28 is 8. Therefore, 8 into 2 comes out as 16. Half of the sum completed. Next, now multiply the same digit number with the consecutive number. Which number is common in both of them? Yes? Which
2.
2. Very good. So you just have to multiply 2 by 3. Okay, if the common number is 3, multiply by 4. If the common number is 4, multiply by 5. So the answer is 6. And your answer is 616. Write 6 and write 16. Very easy trick. One of the easiest trick of multiplication. I'll explain it once again. Multiply the unit place number. 8 into 2 is 16. The same number in both of the digit is 2. So multiply 2 by 3, which is 6, and your answer is ready. 616. Is it clear?
Yes.
I'll give you one more. Okay. So can I give 37 into 33?
Yeah.
Yes. What is the answer? Yes, students?
$1,221.
Okay. So my question was 37 into 33. First, you have to check the condition strictly. Can I say 7 plus 3 is 10? Is it 10?
Yes.
So can I apply this trick?
Yes.
So my trick is multiply the units digit. So 7 into 3 is 21. right? And which is the common number in both of the both of the numbers?
3.
3. So I will multiply 3 by 4. My answer is 12. So 12 I will write it first, and 21 I'll write it as it is. My answer is ready. No need of multiplying 37 by 33. First you will multiply 3, then add a 0, then again multiply by 3, then add the total answer you have, what you have got, and then you will get the answer as 1221. But the easiest trick I have ever seen, just multiply the unit digit, which is 7 into 3 is 24, so 21, and then 3 into 4, that is the, you have to multiply the same number with its consecutive number. So 3 into 4 is 12. Just write together 12, 21. Is it clear?
Ma'am, I don't understand. How did you do it 3 into 4?
3 into 4 is a trick. You have to find which is the same digit in both of the number. So 3 and 3 are common in both of them. So I took 3 and one number plus 1 its number, like 3 plus 1 is 4. Here we took 3 because 2 plus 1 was 3. You have to take its consecutive number. One number ahead of it. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
See, I will explain it once again. You just, so sorry. Okay, 22 into 28. Okay. 2 into 8, 16. And why did I take 2? Because 2 is common in both of the number. So 2 and at one higher number, that is 3, which is 6, and just you have to write together 616. This was the first sum. Next sum was 37 into 33. So yes, 7 plus 3 goes to 10. So that's the reason I can go for this trick. So 7 into 3 is 21. 3 into 4 is 12, and write the number together 1221. First write 12, then write 21, and your answer is 1221. I'll give you one more sum. I'll explain you one more sum. 44 into 46. Does 4 plus 6 goes to 10?
Yes.
So can I use the trick again?
Yes.
Now 4 into 6, multiplication of units digit is 6 4s are 24. Is it correct?
Yes.
Now, the common number, the same number is 4. So 4 into 5, what is it? 20. So my answer is 2024. Okay? Just multiply the unit digits. My answer is 24. The same number is 4. So 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. My answer is 2024. Is it clear?
Yes.
So I hope this trick is clear to everyone.
Yes.
So can I give 2 more sums now?
Yes.
And no one will go for actual multiplication. Each and every student will solve this sum with the help of trick. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So my next sum is 23 into 27. And the next sum is 16 into 14. So you have to use the trick. What is the first answer?
621.
Very good. See how fast your answer was. Next, 16 into 14.
Two to four.
2 to 4. See, can you feel the difference between actual multiplication and answer by trick? Okay, so I will explain how this answer. Okay, so according to my trick, I just have to multiply 3 by 7. Please don't on your mic. Please unmute yourself. Okay.
दीदी को बोल कर देखो सिखाई के पढ़ने को पढ़ना सीख कैसा पढ़ने का रहता है वो.
Okay, so according to my trick, what was my question? Can I get my question back? First question was? Yes, okay. So according to my trick, 3 into 7 is 21 and 2 is common in it. So 2 into 3 is 6. You just have to write it together. 621. Again, 6 into 4. 6 into 4 is 24. And 1 is common in it. 1 into 2 is 2. So my answer is 224. Is this trick clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, okay, so my next trick. Trick number 3. So this is the last trick I am going to explain. Okay, so please pay attention now. This trick is only applicable for power of 9. As my first trick was applicable only for power of 5, this trick is applicable for power of 9. So can I get the answer of this question? 232 into 81. So I will explain the trick. So that you'll feel the difference between the actual multiplication and the answer by trick. Okay, quickly I want, what is the answer for 232 into 81?
7192.
7192. Is it right? Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else? I want answer from each and everyone. It is 232 into 81.
Ma'am, 18792.
18792. Very good. So this is the correct answer. This is wrong. But I think you have solved this sum by actual multiplication. Now we will go for the trick. So step 1 for this trick is identify the power. Now here it is 81. So can I write 81 as 9 square? Yes, can I write 81 as 9 square? Yes or no?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
No, why no? Yes,
Yes.
81 can be written as 9 square. So my trick for this question is you just have to multiply this number by 10. Multiply the given number by 10 so that I can write 232 into 10 is nothing but 2320. Can I write this?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so you just have to subtract the given number. So your answer was 2320 minus 232. What will I get the answer? What is 2320 minus 232?
2000.
No, minus 232. It is 2088. And as the power of 9 is 2, you have to apply this trick twice. Okay, so this will be 2088 into 10 and minus, you have to minus the same number which you got, it is 2088. Okay, then you will get your answer as into okay, then your answer will be 18792. Okay, this is a little lengthier trick, but if once you're used to it, you'll get a quick answer. I'll explain this trick again, but let me explain what was today's lecture all about, then I'll go to the sum. देखिए पहले. Okay, so first our the very first trick was aiming for 10. You just have to make the number goes to 10 and you have to add the remaining number. Okay, क्यों ऐसा हो रहा? Okay, so sorry. Okay, so today we learned about various tips and tricks. So the very first trick was about addition, which is aiming for 10. Just aim for 10 and add the remaining number, you'll get the answer. These all were about addition trick. Then we learned a multiplication trick, which was only applicable in power of 5, which makes the multiplication very easy. And the next multiplication was if the unit digit adds up to 10. Then this is really very easy tricks. This is my one of the favorite trick. And the next was multiplication applicable only for the power of 9. So I hope this lecture was useful to everyone. Yes, student?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So in the next lecture, I will tell you more tricks. I will teach you more tricks, which is easy to find the answer in multiplication, addition, subtraction as well. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you for joining today's lecture, and in the next lecture we'll learn more tricks. And after this lecture you will use this trick, make your own sum, try this trick again, and see the difference between the actual multiplication and the answer by the trick. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for attending the lecture.
Bye, miss. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye.